Kiss him.
No, he might be sick. I don't know.
No.
You've been saying for the past several days you were going to catch a bird. And I kept saying, yeah, I know. But you actually did catch a bird. I don't know how you caught it, Annie. I didn't see it with my own eyes. All I know is you came to me with a bird. I don't know how you do these things, kid. How many earthworms do you think that bird needs?
A lot. Like 100.
100? And did I see correctly that you kissed it?
Yeah.
Let's not bring it to your mouth anymore, okay? Where did you find it? Point where, just look at where you found it.
On the street.
Where at on the street? Come walk with me and show me where you found it.
He was just walking. And then I caught it.
Annie, I don't know how a kid your age catches a bird of any age.
Look, I did. No. Now he couldn't go anywhere.
Well, I don't know if it's cool to capture birds.
Might have to let him go.
He probably
No?
wants to go
Okay.
back to his mommy.
But I
I'm sure you do, and I'm sure he
like it.
is having a memorable day today. I think you should name him.
Yeah, what's his name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee? That's a nice name. Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Okay.
A mommy.
And mommy.
And look, he's winking his eyes.
Whoa.
Yeah, I just hope they open again.
He has a big sharp.
Beak. Huh.
Yeah. He really likes
You think so?
me. Oh.
Let's get a close-up of him. Hey, Kaylee. I'm so sorry, dude. Yep. What do you want to do with this bird?
Why don't we put him in the birdhouse you made at school?
That sounds like a good idea.
Let me go get that birdhouse out of the tree.
Why?
I think it would make a good home for that bird.
You know he's going to poop in your hands if you hold on to him for too long.
Yes. And he thinks I'm a tree.
He thinks you're a tree?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
On it. Cheese.
Look what Mommy has.
Here we go. You want to hang it in this little tree right here?
This isn't going to go well, Mommy.
You do.
Okay, you want to show him that house?
Baby Gaga.
Okay, Annie.
Yeah.
Baby Lou.
Oh my goodness.
I love my new pet.
He's not a pet. He's a wild animal.
Don't fly out of my hands.
How did you catch a bird?
I went down the street and I just caught it.
Well, I'm sure she's very soft.
Yeah. Yes, she is.
Why don't you let her run around?
Yeah.
Let her just go on the ground and walk around, okay?
No. I want to watch her at the...
You can't hold on to her forever, Annie.
Let her walk. Let's see how well she walks.
Yeah, I want to see her gait.
Oh.
Now I see how you caught her.
Give her some space.
Ow, I don't. Don't let him go though. Never.
On the next episode of Pet Hoarders Toddler Edition.
Ow, I didn't go.
Back up, that bird's gonna bite you.
That bird.
Oh, this might be good news. She might be just fine. Back up, honey, back up.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Look, he made a smiley face.
With a beak. Poor, poor bird.
Oh, good Gaga. Haley is a good name.
Kaylee is a good name.
No, I said Haley.
Oh,
Uh.
it's Haley? Good name, too.
Don't bring those hands to your face, okay? We need to wash your hands. Dirds or birdie. Dirds or birdie. And Daddy needs coffee.
Okay, let's leave that bird alone. Maybe we could get some seeds. We have some sunflower seeds. You want to feed him?
I'm sure he's got a big appetite right now.
Yeah.
You'll stay out here. I'll get
I will bring him.